This is the Xiaomi TRI Fold, and it's not just a phone, it's a revolution in your pocket. A smartphone that folds not once but three times, turning futuristic design into reality. This is how the next generation of mobile technology looks. The Xiaomi TRI Fold is built for people who want more than a normal phone. With this tripod display, you can use it as a compact phone, a widescreen device, or a full tablet. One device, three different experiences. Fold it the way you want and it adapts to your lifestyle. The display is a stunning AMOLED panel with ultra high resolution, vibrant colors, deep black, and super smooth refresh rate. Whether you are watching movies, gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, everything feels immersive and premium. This is not just a screen, it's a visual masterpiece. Powered by a flagship level processor, the Xiaomi TRI Fold delivers lightning fast performance. Apps open instantly, heavy games run smoothly, and multitasking feels effortless. You can run multiple apps side by side on the light screen and work like a pro. The camera system is next generation, next level, with AI powered photography, advanced night mode, ultra wide shots, and cinematic videos recording. Every photo looks professional. Whether it's a selfies, landscape, or 4K videos, the TRI Fold capture everything with stunning clarity. Battery life is optimized with smart power management. Even with this massive display, the Xiaomi TRI Fold lasts all day. And with fast charging and wireless charging, you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. Its design is sleek, premium, and futuristic. Strong hinges, durable glass, and lightweight body make it both powerful and elegant. Xiaomi has engineered this phone to feel solid, smooth, and luxurious in your hand. Thank you.